our 14th annual Supercross Action Sports Party. So we have our full team of athletes here. We have our MMA fighters, we have our Supercross riders, we have skate, we have our road race driver and our off-road teams all here that we sponsor in one way or another to promote the action sports industry. So as a company, our mission is to, obviously, Toyota of Escondido, sell product. How do we get outside of our market? How do we increase our radius for sales? Between our action sports radio show and our athletes, we're able to get up into Orange County, Riverside County, down into Mexico to promote our product and promote our image, which drives sales to us.
Michael Lee, what's going on tonight?
Just out here at the Toyota of Escondido Action Sports Party, doing some autograph signing, showcasing the canvas gear along with mopeds and tractor others, and just having a good time getting ready for the weekend.
How are you feeling about this weekend? What are your expectations?
I'm feeling good about the weekend. It's definitely not been the season that I kind of was hoping for. Last year's injury was a pretty big one, and it's kind of been a little bit of a hurdle to get back into racing this year. I was off the bike for about 9 months, so just getting things going and kind of build my life back up all together at the same time. So just keeping busy.
How about Canvas? How's that doing?
Canvas has been great. I mean, as you guys know, I kind of started Canvas up about I think we're 8 months in now. So it's been amazing to learn business and kind of utilize my off time last year that I had from my injury to kind of expand myself and grow myself in other different ways. Racing isn't forever. It could end tomorrow. You never know. So it's cool to be expanding myself and progressing in other ways in life besides on a motorcycle.
Right on. Thanks, Michael.
Thanks.
All right, Bryce Hudson, what's going on tonight?
Oh, so we're out here at Toyota of Escondido for the Action Sports Festival. We got all kinds of vendors and booths set up. A lot of top riders doing autographs. We got Cooper Webb, Jeremy McGrath, Bryce Hudson here hanging out, passing out some free samples. So check out all the clips here on TransWorld Motocross.
All right, Cooper, what's going on tonight?
We're at Toyota Escondido for the open house right before San Diego Supercross. Hanging out, signing some posters, hanging out with all the Toyota Escondido athletes, and having a good time. Had some good food, some interviews, and just hanging out for Saturday.
How you feeling for this weekend?
Feel good. Yeah, ready to go. Got the red plate back, and looking forward to hopefully getting back on the top of the podium. Got my starts figured out a little better, and hungry, ready to go racing this weekend.
Cool, thanks, Cooper.
Yep. Sorry, they're a little dirty.
Kevin Weisbrook.
What's up?
What's going on? You're going to be on TransWorld again.
Again? That's the second time this year. It's pretty good.
What's going on tonight?
Nothing, just hanging out at Toyota, doing autograph signing for the fans. Having a good time.
How does Toyota of Escondido help you out as a privateer?
Oh man, they help me out so much. Not only, they let me come out to events like this, get exposure and whatnot, but they actually help me out with riding. I used to ride at Milestone, save a lot of money practicing on Supercross. I can go to Paris, ride outdoors. It's pretty awesome. So it's good. They help out a lot.
How you feeling about this weekend?
I'm feeling good. Last weekend was going good, and I kind of ruined it for myself. So I think this weekend will be good. I'm excited.
All right, buddy. Good luck.
Hey, thank you, man. Appreciate it.
Campos, what's going on tonight?
Not much. We're just out here at Toyota Escondido doing some signing, acting like I know what I'm doing.
Are you the retired racer that still gets autographs?
Exactly. That's exactly what I am. That never raced pro.
Hey, I'm washed up
Speaking
too.
of retired racers, what's up, Lano?
How much? How are you?
Good, buddy. What's going on tonight?
Signing some autographs for the fans here down at Toyota of Escondido.
Awesome. You been cranking whips lately or what?
No.
Not at all? No bike?
No. No, I got a bike.
Oh.
I just got it put together, so I just started riding.
Okay, you're busy training, right?
This guy really.
Okay. Jeremy,
Getting better.
what's going on?
Oh, I'm just chilling here. Toyota Escondido. You know how we do it.
Sign an autograph?
Yeah, I got a good line, man. There's a lot of people. It's super fun.
What kind of support does Toyota of Escondido provide for you?
Man, I mean, look at this star-studded athlete list here. I got a truck. We did some off-roading in it. It's pretty fun. So I think what Toyota Escondido here is doing with all the riders and the moto program is just awesome. one of those things that nobody else is doing. So it's awesome. Top of the pile.
Cool. Diana?
Hi.
Diana, say hi, TransWorld.
Oh, hey, TransWorld.
It's been a while.
It's been a while. I haven't seen you guys in a long time.
How have you been?
I've been wonderful. Just hanging out, working.
Working hard at Arena Cross?
Working hard, learning how to pit report, you know, asking those questions.
All that stuff?
Yep, giving those pre-race reports.
You signing some autographs tonight with MC?
Well, yeah, see, I'm #1 and he's #2.
Oh,
so
okay.
I sign his posters.
I like it.
I'm too busy to bring my... Just kidding.
Last one. Best out of 3. It's 1-1 right now. For the championship of the world. All right, go ahead.
Even a cheat in there.
It's too strong. Too strong.
Tonight is our 14th annual Supercross kickoff party. We have a ton of athletes here that we sponsor. A lot of great vendors here at Toyota of Escondido. It's been a great night so far.
You got Cooper Webb over here. He's leading the points right now in the 250 West Coast Championship. Talk about how that has to do with what Toyota of Escondido represents.
Let me tell you something. Cooper Webb is a phenomenal athlete. We're so blessed to have him as one of our athletes. Cooper, and everyone knows, with the races he's won, the races that he hasn't won, he shows that he's a consummate professional. That's why we have him. He's #1 with us. The other bummer and the unfortunate thing is Dean Wilson. He's out right now with his ACL. He's in Europe. He wasn't able to get back here. So Dean, we miss you, we love you, and we wish you were here. You know, the greatest thing about the Action Sports program, since we've developed it into an actual program, we haven't done that since our general manager Scott White had allowed us to. Now the program is accepted. So now we document, track, and actually know what's coming in because of Action Sports. From Roger DeCosta, everybody's sending us car deals. Everybody sends us car deals. Our service drive, and those customers come down from out of our primary market area, our PMA, they come down here and buy cars from us, service them with us. They appreciate the fact that Toyota of Escondido is involved in Action Sports. That's the greatest part.